Hello, I will be showcasing our course project from the course ES116 Principles and Applications of Electrical Engineering. Our course project is an hybrid door mechanism locking mechanism system which works on the basis of RFID tag, Bluetooth module, and Morse code interpreting sensor. We are working on a hybrid mechanism which can be used for indirect as well as remote access to our locking mechanism. Let's have a look here. This is the basic inner circuitry of the project. I will explaining the basic connections, circuit connections of this. Here, this is an solenoid which will be used as a locking mechanism. It is connected to a relay module, which is used to turn on and off the power for operating a solenoid. The solenoid is currently powered using a barrel jack connector connected to an barrel jack adapter, which draws in current at the 12 volt 1 ampere rating. Here, coming on to the Arduino Uno board, which is used as the basic microcontroller for the whole system, we can see here that this relay module has two pins, VCC and ground, connected over to the breadboard for giving it power, and another one which is used to turn the relay module on and off, which is connected to digital pin 5 of the Arduino Uno board. Other than that, we have here an Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module is connected at 4 points. Here we have a Bluetooth module. It has 4 pins which are currently used: ground, VCC, RxD and TxD, which are used for communication. RxD and TxD are connected to the RxD and TxD pins of Arduino Uno, which are 0 and 1 respectively. And the rest is connected using a breadboard for power supply. Here the interpreting device we are using for the Morse code or the knocking mechanism is a capacitive touch sensor, which has 2 pins connected to the VCC and ground, and the third one is connected to digital pin 2 of Arduino Uno board. And the final component of our project is an RFID tag sensor. We are using I2C protocol for operating it, and it is operating on 3.3 volt voltage. The exact circuit connections of the RFID sensor is a bit complicated, so it would be reported in the report. Now coming on to our internal Arduino Uno code, IDE code we are using. Here we have separated the code in 2 parts because we were having a bit difficulty in integrating the RFID sensor code and the other parts because of the different communication protocols as well as the baud rate, which is incompatible with the other components. So on one part we have our knock sensor or capacitive touch sensor integrated with the Bluetooth module, and on the other part here we have our RFID code. Initially we had meant to show the plot of whatever the output is coming on an RGB LED, but because it has short circuited, we were unable to do so. This is the code we are using to operate the part of one of our system, that is a knock interpreting and Bluetooth direct access system. Here we have first defined the pins, then we have set some variables for the logic of operating, and after that we have set the input output. After that, here is the logic. And here we can find the code for RFID door lock system. Similarly, we have set the pin buzzer, included the library we needed. After that, below is the logic.
Hello, my name is Sai Gaudi, and I will be giving practical demonstration of knocking interpretation and Bluetooth access system. So here this is touch sensor. Here we will giving a Morse code as an input. So on first touch, system will on. So here we can see that a system is on. So when we give correct Morse code, this lock will unlock. So here we can see that on correct Morse code, relay is turned on and system is unlocked. After 10 seconds, this lock again locked, and now we are seeing the Bluetooth access system. So here when we give 1, the lock will unlock, and when we give 2, locked is again locked. So here we can see that on giving 1, this lock is unlocked, and now when we click 2, this lock is again locked.
Hello, my name is Lalit, and today I'm gonna display the second part of our project, which is opening the door lock using an RFID scanner. So over here, this is an RFID card, and here I have the RFID sensor, which is connected to this, which is a solenoid, which is used as a door lock. So over here, as soon as I put my card over here, it opens, and then I have ample amount of time to get inside, and then it again shuts lock, and like this.
And like this we have our hybrid door locking mechanism system, which can be used for locking a door and remotely and directly accessing the system.